Okay, today Jeffrey. After like Valentino, he keeper get sick twice day already. You know, today because Valentino I read him up, we are grow up together. He trapped me. If you know he keeper, you're not familiar with him. When you let him free, he gonna like cheeky or try to hurt you. But Valentino is the one grow up with him. Today I gonna be instead like the he keeper because he keeper get sick, and then I gonna let Valentino free do the thing after. Like he not got free a day already because he keep us sick. You know, like he cannot like work because this weekend or this year a lot of rain as well. You know, it's a big keeper. It's not easy. You know, we have so many. You know, it's people complaining or everything. This we are do the is the base of we doing, and then keep culture, maintain, and then living harmony. I gonna show you guys, and they're gonna let Valentino free and hang out, hiking, do the thing, enjoy his life like every day. Okay, is it like? Yeah, see it left. Yeah, okay. Come on, Lou. Because this Valentino is a male. Male is they are more like brave and crazy. They're not as many keeper. Different than the female. Female easy, everyone can take care. But become male and bull elephant, the more they are trust, just only people have like the connection or even relationship with them. Pani look. Pani my little boy. Okay. Yeah. And they keep her here. Sada buna muda kunya da lego na mo. Ani kêu đó bạn. Tập lưỡi. Okay, now I'm with the Valentino. He follow like me. He's he behind my back. We're gonna take him up and then chilling with his mother, sister, younger sister, and then Maui. The like, you know, it's the what you call it? It's the nephew. Yes. Come on, my boy. Yeah, dance, Lou, my boy, dance. Come on, Lou. Cheeky boy. Come on, hello. Okay, now we are this area. Is we're gonna let him hang out with the mother. Now he coming. And then like his mother, sister, younger sister, he coming. You hang out, why you hang out? You hang out, mati. Oh, kodok. Now, you see? Đi. Ba lên hay. Cái này. Du. Hả? Heo on. Mà lấy đi heo on. Heo on. Okay. I cut some pumpkin for him. Sẽ cười đấy. Bố gắt vào này cho đấy nhá. Nghe vào lại cái chủ cái. Qua tú. Tuyệt